Office Phrase of the Day from ToMeBusinessEnglish.com. Welcome to To Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. In this business English lesson, you are going to learn the office phrase USP. Let's say it again. USP. Now, let's do an activity. I want you to guess the meaning of USP from the picture and sentence on the next slide. Let's go. The USP of this car is that it's very reliable and boasts increased comfort and high speeds. So, guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds from now. Firstly, what does USP stand for? It stands for Unique Selling Point. Unique Selling Point. Or it also stands for Unique Selling Proposition. Unique Selling Proposition. A USP. What does it mean? Well, it's the essence of what makes your product or service better than competitors. And here's an example of how to use the phrase USP in a sentence. Many major companies employ a powerful USP to build their business, as do most successful entrepreneurs. And another example. To Business English are unique. Their USP is that they offer easy-to-understand videos that are picture and audio based. As a result, students learn business English faster. And the final example. The chocolate company are enjoying great success because of their USP, which is if a customer buys 10 chocolate bars, then they get 1 free. Okay, now it's your turn. Here's an activity for you. Use the office phrase USP to make a sentence, and you can answer in the comments section below this video, and I'll take a look. If you like this video, you can get 300 workplace phrases at ToMeBusinessEnglish.com free guide. To learn more workplace English, get the Master 100 Office Phrases course available at ToMeBusinessEnglish.com courses. It has more than 7 hours of video content with worksheets and activities.